Hi everyone, in today's video, we're going to create high-quality wood varnish using recycled materials found around the house. That's right, we'll be turning waste styrofoam into an effective varnish by mixing it with thinner. It's affordable, eco-friendly, and surprisingly durable. Stay tuned to see the full process and don't miss out on some essential tips for the best results. In the first step, prepare a container and pour in some thinner. Next, add small pieces of styrofoam gradually into the container. Stir the mixture well. If it seems like there isn't enough styrofoam or thinner, feel free to add more as needed. Continue stirring until the mixture is smooth and fully dissolved. Make sure there are no lumps left. This ensures that the varnish you produce is smooth and of high quality. And just like that, your homemade wood varnish is ready to use. Now, we're going to use the varnish we made earlier to coat a painted storage container made of cement. This final layer will give it a glossy finish while also protecting the paint underneath. Apply it evenly across the entire surface, making sure every part is fully covered and shines beautifully. Not only will it enhance the look with a more elegant and polished finish, but it will also make the paint more durable and long. Just look at the final result, shiny, smooth, and it truly adds beauty to the piece. Next, I'm going to apply varnish to a chair to give it a glossy look and help the paint last longer. I'll carefully coat the entire surface, making sure it's even and neat. This finishing touch will not only enhance the appearance with a polished shine, but also protect the paint from wear and fading. And when it's done, the chair will look sleek, shiny, and beautifully refreshed. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative ideas using simple materials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.